Have you ever wondered about the incredible journey of life from a single microscopic cell to a fully formed human being? It's a story of transformation, a biological marvel that unfolds over 9 months. Today, we're going to explore this breathtaking process right from the very beginning. It all starts with a single egg or ovum released from an ovary. This tiny cell, no bigger than the period at the end of a sentence, holds half of the genetic blueprint for a new life. It embarks on a journey down the fallopian tube, waiting. Meanwhile, millions of sperm are on a mission of their own. They are incredibly small and determined, racing towards the egg. It's a competitive marathon, and only the strongest and fastest will make it. Out of millions, only one will succeed in fertilizing the egg. The moment of fertilization is where the magic truly begins. The sperm penetrates the egg's outer layer and their genetic material combines. In an instant, a completely new and unique genetic code is created. This single cell, now called a zygote, contains all the instructions needed to build a human body from eye color and hair texture to the intricate workings of the brain. This zygote doesn't stay a single cell for long. It begins to divide rapidly, first into 2 cells, then for 8, 16, and so on. This growing cluster of cells, called a blastocyst, continues its journey down the fallopian tube. After about a week, it reaches its destination, the uterus. Here it will implant itself into the uterine lining, establishing a connection that will nourish it for the months to come. Once implanted, the real development kicks into high gear. The cells start to differentiate, taking on specialized roles. Some will form the placenta, the life support system that provides oxygen and nutrients. Others will become the amniotic sac, a protective fluid-filled bubble. And a special group of cells will begin to form the embryo itself. Around week 3, the foundations of the body are laid down. The neural tube, which will become the brain and spinal cord, starts to form. A tiny heart begins to take shape and, incredibly, starts to beat, pumping life through the developing body. By the end of the first month, the embryo is still tiny, but major organs have begun to form. As we move into the second month, the transformation is astonishing. Tiny buds appear that will grow into arms and legs. Facial features like eyes, a nose, and a mouth start to become distinguishable. The embryo is now officially called a fetus, which means offspring in Latin. It's moving, even though these movements are too small to be felt. By the end of the first trimester, around 12 weeks, the fetus is about the size of a lime. All major organs are in place, and even tiny fingernails and toenails are forming. The most critical period of development is complete. From here on, the main job is to grow bigger and stronger. Over the next 6 months, the fetus will continue to grow at an amazing rate. It will develop the ability to swallow, kick, and even hear sounds from the outside world. The brain develops millions of neurons, creating the complex networks that will control thought, feeling, and movement for a lifetime. From a single cell, invisible to the naked eye, to a complex kicking and hearing fetus, the journey of early life is nothing short of a miracle. It's a testament to the intricate and beautiful process of human development. This incredible story is happening right now all around the world as new lives begin their own amazing journey. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of where life begins. If you found this journey as fascinating as we do, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure into the wonders of science. See you next time.